Joining us now is Galaxy Digital CEO and founder Mike Novogratz. Mike, great to see you as always. We continue to march higher and higher on the broader equity markets. Something that I know has surprised you. You've made money in other assets rather than these tech stocks. Do you get tempted to start buying them at this stage at any point?
No, listen. I think we are close to the end of what I think is a speculative frenzy. You look at the price action of Tesla the last couple of days. And if you go back to 1999, you look at Qualcomm, which really was like the bellwether stock of the whole internet boom. You know, Qualcomm had a split. It was December 31st. The next 2 days, it exploded up just like Tesla. And that marked the high at Qualcomm for the whole cycle. I think we put the high in for Tesla for the whole cycle. We're going to slowly unwind some of this crazy leverage. What's interesting, though, is this bull market's not giving up. It's like a bull with a bit between its teeth, climbing up a muddy hill, and it just keeps charging. And other things are falling off. We had a big correction in Bitcoin today. We had a big correction, a small correction in gold and the dollar, other risk assets. But, you know, the money seems to be rotating from one asset to another in U.S. equities and now European equities. And so certainly the bull market's not over yet. I do feel like we're getting close.
Do you think rotation would be the result if we do cross the line in terms of when some of those tech stocks have to correct, or would everything be dragged down, including the likes of Bitcoin and gold, like they were in March, or would this time be different for them? Would they act as protective assets?
You know, I do think, listen, there'll be some correlation. If there's a big risk off, all assets will go down some. I do think both the dollar and Bitcoin will decouple from risk at one point. Right, once you get the weak hands out, I think they'll be protected. But the first leg down, they won't be. It's just leverage comes out of the system. It's a very good question, though, right? Today, I expected the market to go down, and we saw much more rotation and the market actually going up. Right, the Nasdaq looked pretty ugly at one point and just came ripping right back. The S&P never looked ugly, and so there's still a lot of cash in the system. I don't know. We have an election coming in, less than 2 months. As we get closer, the uncertainty around the election, I think, if Biden wins, there are tax implications for the market that could substantially lead it to a much lower level, right? You raise capital gains taxes from, 20 to 40, and markets are going down, not up.